From time to time, everyone needs a break. You don't need a long one, but just some free time to reset, free of worries and free of stress. Stay tuned to see what I packed for a stress and decision-free beach getaway. Welcome to Crystal Beach, Texas. We arrived Thursday night, so I'm already dressed up in my pajamas and a tie-dye shirt and shorts. So to start off with, I'm going to cleanse my face by wiping it with a baby wipe to remove the makeup, and then using eye makeup removers on my eyes, and then using a face cleanser, followed by patting my face dry and using a moisturizer. And of course, you gotta end the evening with brushing your teeth. Starting off with a cleansed face and moisturized with SPF, I'm adding lip balm and doing my makeup, and the foundation I'm using has SPF in it. I'm just doing my face, my brows, and my eyes, nothing more or nothing less. And with my hair already braided overnight, I'm just undoing it for some beachy waves. For today, I am wearing a blue tank and white shorts. I'm styling the blue tank by tying it in front. For my beach wear, I'm just wearing a black one-piece bathing suit with a sarong tied at my side. One of my favorite pastimes is looking for shark teeth. And here you can see that I found a really little one. You can see that I'm just going from my pajamas to swimwear. I'm just wearing a halter top bikini with a sarong. The evening ended out with a lightning show. Looks like the day has cleared up. Today, I'm just using a maxi skirt pulled up and a belt to create a dress. And then we went out to eat. And I highly suggest Stingery if you ever go to Crystal Beach. While at the restaurant, it decided to have a downpour. But that's okay. That didn't ruin our day at all. So I started my day out in a dress and then in beachwear as it cleared up. And we just spent the rest of the day on the beach, plus shooting off some fireworks. We were supposed to leave on Sunday, but we ended up staying through Monday. And today I just have a black tank top tied at the side with my white shorts. Time to pack up. Starting with my tech gear, I have my Rode microphone and my Aki wide-angle lens, which clips onto mobile phones. And of course, you cannot forget your charger and cable. Not shown is my selfie tripod stick, as I'm currently using it. You can see what it looks like by clicking on this card above. Now, time to pack up my makeup. I have my beauty blender that I put into a mesh bag. I bring a palette that I use for my eyes and my face, and a BB cream with SPF in it, my mascara, my lip balm, my eye brush, some tweezers, and an eyelash curler. This next pouch is really simple. It's just hair products. I have hair clips, hair ties, and a hairbrush for me and my girls. And I also have that headband you saw earlier, but I'm currently wearing it. Lastly, packing up my toiletries. I wear contacts, so I have the solution, my contacts case, as well as spare lenses. In the stacking jars to the left, I have my skincare. I show this in a previous video, and I'll have that link in the card above. Also shown in a previous video, I have shampoo and body wash on a lanyard so I can hang it up in the outdoor shower. Travel hack. Use the refill packaging as a cover for your razor blade. Here's my travel size toothbrush. Normally I bring a travel size toothpaste, but I couldn't find it, so here I'm just showing my larger one. Time to pack up. I already have my undergarments in my packing cube, which I'll also have linked below. I had a total of 3 bottoms, my white shorts, my maxi skirt, and my running shorts for sleep. I had a total of 3 tops, the blue tank top, the tie-dye shirt, and the black tank top with the knit. I have 2 suits so that one can dry, so I have a bikini and a one-piece. And then of course I have my sarong as a cover-up and then a belt as an accessory. On top, the blue is my pack towel. Now to fit it all into my backpack. I took my Elements Explorer backpack, which I show in a previous video and I'll have that linked above. And I'm packing it exactly the same way. I have my toiletries and my makeup in the front pocket, as well as a medical kit, which I'll also have linked above. And then in the main compartment goes my packing cube. I'm also putting in my sweatshirt, which I used for cold evenings because of the AC. The top of my backpack has a pocket, and that's typically where I put my tech gear. Check out other ways you could style the clothing that I brought. You can use a belt to accent it, or just be plain, or even just tuck in your shirt. Or you could add a maxi skirt and turn it into a dress. And again, you can accessorize with a belt. And this is just at the hip. Another way to wear the maxi skirt is by pulling it up right under your bust to create an empire dress. And again, accenting it with a belt. You can switch it up by changing the top along with the maxi skirt. And of course, the way I wore it the other day as a dress by pulling it up and using a belt on the waist. Here are some ways to wear a sarong. You can just simply have it wrapped around and rolling it down to create a skirt, or one of the most common ways is just tying it around your waist. Some people like to cover up more and tie it up in the front just by creating a knot. Another way is people make a dress out of it by crossing the corners and tying it around their neck, so it creates a halter style neckline. Another way is you can create it to be like a kimono / vest by just tying the corners behind your neck and leaving it open in front. I had fun. Bye, Crystal Beach. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any other travel hacks to add, please comment them below. My name is Tracy with The Daily Life, bringing you inspiration for simple and intentional living, sharing tips and tricks to make the daily life a little simpler. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos.